Affordable and quality earbuds. This one is from Xiaomi Redmi. And alam naman natin, pagdating sa Xiaomi, ang reputation nila is affordable and it just works. And quality na rin. So I have several Xiaomi products from television to appliances and even electronic devices like this. At talagang sobrang efficient, sobrang effective. So ganito lang siyang kaliit. Ayan o, ito yung tsura niya. It's all black. It looks very elegant. And ang nakakatuwa sa Xiaomi, yung affordability and then yung functionality na rin or yung quality. Talagang you really get your money's worth. That's why I trust the brand. So ganito lang siya pag isasaksak ninyo. Ayan, paglalagay sa tenga ninyo. And then may mga several controls din siya. Once you tap, pwede kayo maglipat ng music or mag-mute, etc. etc. Ayan. And hindi lang siya limited sa music, sa easy listening. Pwede rin siya for meetings or for voice calls. Ayan. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng alternative earphones or earbuds for your work or your music collection or your music preferences, then check this one out. Talagang I can tell you this one is quality and it just works really well.